Anil made money by fits and starts. He would borrow 1 week, lend the next. He kept worrying about his next check. Now Anil जो था वो भी कोई ऐसा कोई परमानेंट ऐसा कोई जॉब नहीं था उसके पास, एंड ही ऑल्सो डिडंट हैव मच मनी, राइट. ही वुड अर्न मनी, कि कभी आ जाता था पैसा, कभी उसको लोन लेना पड़ता था, कभी ही वुड बोरो फ्रॉम समवन, है ना. So what he would do, 1 week he would borrow and next week he would return it back, like this. Whenever he would get a check or whenever he would get his money, he would return the money from money borrowed, right. So Anil also was working like that, and he was also getting money in this way. But as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate. But one thing was there, Anil को जब भी पैसा मिलता था ना, he would go out and he would go and enjoy himself rather than saving it. It seems he wrote for magazines, a cure way to make a living. That means कि what was Anil's profession? He was a writer, right? He wrote for the magazines. ठीक है, वो लिखता था. He was a writer. तो जब कभी भी उसको पैसा मिलता, वो सेव नहीं करता था, वो जाकर एंजॉय करके आ जाता था. और उसको हर बार पैसा इस तरह मंथली बेसिस पे नहीं मिलता था. Whenever he would write something, he would get, and he would earn in this way. One evening, he came home with a small bundle of notes, saying he had just sold a book to the publisher. And one evening, what happens? Anil brings a lot of money. He brings a full bundle of notes, right? And he says that his book is sold, right? At night, I saw him tuck the money under the mattress. And at night, Anil ने क्या किया? Mattress यानी गद्दा, ठीक है? So he kept the money under his mattress. और किसने देख लिया? Hari Singh saw him keeping it. I had been working for Anil for almost a month, and apart from cheating on the shopping, I had not done anything in my line of work. Now Hari Singh is saying that he had been living with Anil since a month, right? And he did not cheat him, except for, whenever he would go to buy anything outside, he would just take 1 or 2 rupees more. He cheated him only on shoppings. Only from shopping he would cheat him. Rest, nothing he did. He did not rob anything from Anil's house. I had every opportunity for doing so. Anil had given me a key to the door. I could come and go as I pleased. He was most trusting person I had ever met. So here Hari Singh is saying, if he wanted, मतलब अगर वो चाहता तो वो उसको cheat कर सकता था. He could have cheated Anil, but he didn't do that. He never did that because Anil trusted him a lot. Anil had given him his key of the home, right? House key भी उसके पास था. Anytime he could come and he could move from the home. But still he did not rob anything from Anil's house. And that is why it was difficult to rob him. Why it was difficult for Hari Singh to rob him? Because Anil trusted him a lot. हम कभी किसी पर बहुत ज्यादा विश्वास करते हैं, so that person feels guilty of cheating us or robbing us, है ना? So that is what Hari Singh did. I mean, Hari Singh was feeling that I cannot cheat this person because he trusts me so much. It's easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed, but it is difficult to rob a careless man. Sometimes he doesn't even notice he's been robbed, and that takes all the pleasure out of the work. अब यहाँ पर हरी सिंह what he's saying, it is very easy. अगर कोई greedy person होगा तो he must be minting money in some way or the other, right? So well, it is very easy to cheat or rob them, but it is very difficult to rob a person who is very careless. तो मतलब अनिल जो था वो उसको ट्रस्ट तो करता था, but then Anil was also very careless. मतलब he left things here and there, and it was Hari Singh who would take the track of the things and he would keep it properly. So it is not pleasure to cheat a person who is very careless. This is what Hari Singh felt. Well, it is time I did some real work. I told myself, I am out of practice, and if I don't take the money, he'll only waste it on his friends. After all, he doesn't even pay me. तो अब जब अनिल के पास पैसे आ गए, राइट, अनिल हैड केप्ट द मनी अंडर हिज मैट्रेस, पता है ना, वी रेड राइट नाउ. तो अब हरी सिंह फील्स कि नाउ इट इज द टाइम आई कैन cheat him because it has been, because his real work, हरी सिंह का रियल वर्क क्या था, चीट करना. तो ही फील्स यार बहुत दिन से मैंने रॉबरी नहीं की है, आई हैव नॉट स्टील, आई हैव नॉट रॉब्ड एनीवन, आई हैव नॉट टेकन एनीथिंग फ्रॉम एनीवन, मतलब मैंने किसी के साथ चीटिंग नहीं किया है. तो शायद ऐसा तो नहीं होगा कि मेरा प्रैक्टिस छूट जाए, राइट? प्रैक्टिस ऑफ व्हाट? प्रैक्टिस ऑफ स्टीलिंग. आई माइट फॉरगेट, and it is a time I can steal Anil. Why? Because now he has got money, because he had seen Anil keeping bundle of notes under his mattress. फिर then he also feels कि अगर मैं उससे ये पैसे ले नहीं लूंगा तो he will waste his money, because अनिल के पास जब भी पैसा आता था what he would do, he would go and enjoy with his friends, right? So he felt that Anil is not a careful person. He'll uselessly waste his money by enjoying outside with his friends. So he might as well I take it, because he is not going to pay me. वो उसके पास पैसा आया तो भी वो मुझे पे तो करेगा ही नहीं. तो I might as well I take it from him, because otherwise he will not pay me.